Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the SPY ETF. We previously published a report on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any developments that might affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by giving our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 a try. Visit StockInvest.us to tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 4.34. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 15.74% since we first listed SPY as a buy candidate 71 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.22% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently within a strong rising trend, indicating further potential growth in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 10.55% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 8.23% and 11.67%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 19.28% change over the next year, with a potential return between 4.02% and 20.15%. This equates to a price range of $518.51 to $598.94 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SPY ETF is quite promising. It has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate after Wednesday's trading session. On Wednesday, the 14th of February 2024, the SPY ETF price experienced a gain of 0.89%. It started at $494.08 and closed at $498.49. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $494.40 and a high of $499.07, a difference of 0.94%. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall increase of 3.23% over the course of 2 weeks. However, it's important to note that the volume of shares traded decreased by 37 million on the last day, with a total of 65 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $32.15 billion. This decrease in volume on higher prices can be seen as a potential warning sign for future changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $503.50, while the lowest price was $380.65. At present, the price is 1%, or $5.01, below the 52-week high of $503.50. It's worth noting that this 52-week high also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Today, let's take a look at the signals for SPY, the ETF. Currently, there are mixed signals in the ETF. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing a fall of -0.533%. It seems that there might be further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Despite these sell signals, the SPY ETF has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Moreover, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, which is another buy signal. If the stock corrects downwards, there will be support at $497.86 and $483.44. However, a breakdown below these levels will trigger sell signals. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF. On Monday, March 27, 2023, the ETF had a golden star signal in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special combination. It's a rare occurrence that often precedes significant and sustained gains for the ETF. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals worth considering in your trading strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a sell signal. Another signal to take note of is the pivots, indicating a sell signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average is also pointing towards a sell signal 3 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average displayed a sell signal 22 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 66 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 55 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. SPY, the popular ETF, has a significant support level at $482.91. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. With its controlled movements and good liquidity, SPY carries a very low risk. Its daily price range between high and low was $4.67, or 0.94% during the last day. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.713%. Today we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SPY. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $500.98. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $482.91. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We recommend setting the stop-loss at $481.24, which represents a decrease of 3.46%. This particular ETF has relatively low daily movements, making it a lower-risk option. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? We've analyzed the current market trends and indicators for the SPY ETF, and it looks promising. Short-term signals and overall market conditions are positive, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Based on our updated analysis, we've upgraded our conclusion from a hold/accumulate rating to a buy candidate. However, it's important to note that the current price appears to be overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate SPY to open with a decline of -$1.17, starting at $497.32. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Consulting a financial advisor is recommended prior to any buying or selling of securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current stock view. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. What's your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe for more updates. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.